A very good morning, everyone. Today I shall be presenting a poster on the socket shield technique. This is a critical literature review. Dental implants have become a standard treatment in the replacement of missing teeth. However, the resorption of buccal bundle bone can pose a significant complication with often very negative cosmetic implants after implant placement. Clinical studies have suggested that retaining roots of hopeless teeth may avoid tissue alterations after tooth extraction. Therefore, Huzeler et al. Presented a proof of principle concept experiment in which they histologically assessed a partial root retention in combination with immediate implant placement. The material and method is, in one beagle dog, the third and fourth mandibular premolar were hemisected and the buccal fragment of the distal root was retained approximately 1 mm coronal to the buccal bone plate. Following application of enamel matrix derivate, a titanium implant was placed lingual to the tooth fragment, either with or without contact to the buccal tooth fragment, and a healing abutment was connected. 4 months after implant placement, histological evaluation and backscatter scanning electron microscopy were performed. All 4 implants were osseointegrated without any histologic inflammatory reaction, and the tooth fragment was devoid of any resorptional processes. On the buccal side, the tooth fragment was attached to the buccal bone plate by a physiologic periodontal ligament. On the lingual side of the fragment, newly formed cementum could be detected. In the area where the implant was placed into the fragment, newly formed cementum was demonstrated directly on the implant surface. Based on this proof of concept, multiple studies also followed suit and conducted the socket shield technique at various locations. And according to all the articles considered, all the cases observed in the study selected presented 100% osseointegration, along with studies reporting 100% osseointegration in the cosmetic zone. To conclude, osseointegration and preservation of the buccal bone seem to be aided with the retention of the buccal aspect of the root. But this procedure is not routinely performed in dental implantology, and hence it lacks a little bit of scientific value. Thank you so much.